Hello friends, in this lecture we will take a look at CSS Margin. Now what is margin? Let me illustrate you using an example. Now here we have a div. Let's write here I like cream. Then we have another div. Let's make it and let's write here I like cheese. Let's save it. Hit refresh. I like cream. I like cheese. Now inside this div, let's add some style like say background color hash 333 color red. Let's save it. Hit refresh. Now let's add a property width. Let's make it say 200 pixel and make it a height of 200 pixel. Let's take a look like this and make text align center and also the line height trick. Line height 200 pixel. Hit refresh. Now you can see that we don't have any gaps between these two boxes. So what we can do in order to achieve this? We need to provide margin. Now let's add a margin of say 20 pixel. Refresh. What happened? Now we have space here, 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 all of the four sides. Why? Because when you are providing margin and you are providing a default value 20, it is applying that margin on all the sides of this div. Actually, it's margin top, margin right, margin bottom and margin left. So you can write like this: margin top say 20 pixel, then margin right say 10 pixel, then you say margin bottom 30 pixel and margin left say 40 pixel. Now hit refresh. See, margin left is 40 pixel, margin top is 20 pixel, margin right is 10 pixel and margin bottom is 30 pixel. So this margin is provided outside the element, not inside. Remember this thing because we will be needing this concept later. Well, let me provide a border, then you will understand. Border say 5 pixel solid red. Save it. Hit refresh. See, so this is the border of this element and we have spaces outside, not inside. So this margin is applied outside the element. Again I am repeating, just remember this thing. So in shorthand we can write the margin like this. Else if you want to have only a single margin say at bottom, you can write only like margin bottom say 40 pixel. That's it. And you don't need this full line. So I am commenting this just by using 2 slashes. Now see, we don't have any margin at any other side but at bottom. So now we have margin at bottom only. So that's it friends. Here in this lecture, we have understood the concept of CSS margin, which is provided outside the element, not inside. Remember, again I am repeating. Yes friend, I know I am repeating, but just to make the concept clear for you. So that's it friends. See you in the next lecture where we will understand the concept of CSS padding. Till then, have fun, take care.